Good morning, welcome back to this channel Tiny Bits. So today I'm starting my day very early as it is just 6:15 and I am trying to be productive and positive at the same time. So I'm starting my day early and I've just woke up and just started making my bed and arranging all the things for the day. And after that, like, our hostel washing machine is very busy all the day throughout the day, so I am washing my clothes early in the morning so that I don't have to rush in the day. So yeah, like this, as a scholar you can save a time and then you can do a lot of other things that precisely important for you. And this is another thing I'm doing right now. I am enjoying the scenic beauty of Banaras Hindu University, and this is one of the perk to study in this renowned profound university. And here I'm collecting water, and after that I reached to my room, and then what I did is, like, I drank one glass of water with honey. Like, this is not my daily routine, but I'm trying to maintain so that I stay hydrated for the day. And as I've told you in my previous video that I am into reading and developing reading habits. So right now I'm reading and I am trying to develop different lens to see things, perceive things. And yeah, I have started loving it and I'm even enjoying reading right now. I'm giving time and precisely developing some of the personality from the book that I'm reading. So after that I went for shower and then I ironed my kapda for the day as my coursework is going on. This is second semester, so for that I have to go to department. So, like, मैं ready हो गई after that, and then I worship my Lord and I feel so good. I chant for a while and this gives me a lot of peace, and I pack my bag. And this is how days goes, it's usually, this is the usual thing. And I am on right time to have my breakfast. It's very good to have a breakfast in right time. And yeah, right now I'm heading to department and I'm enjoying the winter season. So right now I'm in my 20s and I'm enjoying life like this, and I could see this beautiful trees, beautiful nature, beautiful all the architectural things. And yeah, I'm enjoying, and I have able to enjoy this each and every season, from winter to rainy to spring to all kind of season, kind of feel in love with this campus. And my campus is wide and vast and it's beautiful. And from here I have to take myself to another place, which is my campus. My department is out of this campus. So yeah, every day it's kind of very long journey. So yeah, right now I'm heading to my department. It's kind of island. Right now I'm in mainland and mainland to island. Like, it's a daily journey, and in that journey I could able to see all the great things that happening as hustle and bustles are going on in between. And I can observe and I can learn to be a little bit observant.
And being a observant is one of the greatest flex of being a researcher. Now I've finally reached my department. Now I am currently in library and I'm reading the newspaper of the day.
आते ही काम पे लगा दिया है डॉक्यूमेंटेशन। ये बंदा ऑफिसर दे रहे हो।
जैसे खाते ही वैसे कभी भी दे सकते हैं।
पार्टी सच में दोगे?
बिल्कुल भाई, क्यों नहीं देंगे?
कैसा वाला पार्टी?
जैसा पार्टी चाहिए।
भंडारा
उसे हम
चाहिए?
लोग कहते हैं भंडारा।
नहीं चाहिए भंडारा, वक्त।
जो रैत के
वाओ, कैट जैसे लग रहे हो।
तो देख ले, जैसे चाइनीज जो होता है ना, पिंक को पहन के और यहाँ गोरे गोल मटोरे।
Hi guys, what's up? So right now I'm in class as there is no one. It's kind of empty. And I feel this energy right now. There's no one, and like, there's only the background noise coming from there. But still, yeah, Today I'm the teacher, I'm the professor, and I'm the student. I'm both. As today our both classes has been cancelled because there's some change in the schedule, as today's class will shift to Monday. So yeah, Monday will be little hectic because we'll be having 3-4 classes on Monday, and rest of the days we'll be having 1-2 classes. So yeah, always Monday is hectic for everyone. So yeah, water. Oh, it's so cold. It's winter here and I'm enjoying the winter season. Plus, right now I'm freezing, okay? In each and every chamber there is heater, but like I'm living in this because I don't know. I feel like to be in chamber because I don't know why, but I love this place. Like we'll be going to mess because this is our second semester. Like the coursework is very full-fledged in this department as than the other department. Yes, I should say this, or like I should compare it, or like I don't know. Maybe I'm doing bad things by comparing the departments. So I hope I do justice to both all the subjects, all the discipline, because they have their own rules and regulations. Here we have 75% attendance are mandatory. So yeah, and I'm just willing to give all my energy because I want to be present this time for like the whole semester, because I am gonna miss this like moments, because like this time will never come because we'll never going to have classes after that. So yeah, then what to say, this is the thing. Yeah, excited and trying. Since from morning I'm trying to read, but like unfortunately some of the things are very hard for me to interpret. As being a PhD scholar, you have to read a lot and to interpret a lot of things, and I'm in the first year of my PhD and I'm trying to learn and read and to understand. Currently I am reading this book like after 12 p.m. only. I've started this book, Arrantine Women by Bell Hook, as originally her name is not Bell Hook, as the great grandparents have given her this name, as she since from her undergraduation she was researching and writing a lot of things, but what we are doing in our graduation is kind of different, and really like this really moved me. And right now still I'm in PhD and not doing anything. I feel like I should start up right now. And yeah, and there's a lot of things in this book, especially she's a black radical feminist, as she fought for the black people. That time, that phase was so difficult for them. There was no political, no voting rights. As first there was so much struggle for them in every front. They are judged by their facial color. There was a lot of racism, and yeah, especially she was very much influenced by her mother, as she write in her preface in this book, that especially her mother inspired her to write, and even her mother married in a very young age, so like she couldn't do a lot of things and she was just trying to fulfill her mother's dreams. So this kind of things are in this book, okay? And even still I'm reading. I've not read much today because again feel lazy. No, this book is very interesting, but I don't know, somehow I try to escape from these things. There's freedom, there's no, boundary how much I or should read, but I have to set goals, yeah. Really, man, people are doing so good things, even there are so much problem.
हेलो गाइस,
What's
आज
up?
मैं घर से आई हूँ। मुझे
कैसा लग
ठंडी
रहा है?
लग गई थी और मैं घर से इतने सारे सामान को भी लाई हूँ।
मूली से लेके सब कुछ
गाजर है,
घर वाला है,
घर वाला नहीं है, सब बाजार वाला है।
मतलब बाजारों
मतलब मंडी वाला।
मतलब यहाँ नहीं मिलेगा तुम्हें बनारस में, कहीं नहीं मिलेगा।
यार यहाँ पे
यहाँ पर 2 रुपये महंगा नहीं मिलेगा, 2 रुपये बचाना।
2 रुपये ही बता रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छा भी नहीं देता है। साइड से ले आता है।
कितने दिन अपने साइड से लेके आओगे?
जब पटना जाऊंगी अपने घर से सब्जियां लेके आऊंगी।
और बोलो।
और क्या बोलूं, था मैं कंधा दुख रहा है, मेरे को सर्वाइकल स्टार्ट हो गया। हाय गाइस, देखो ये मेरा डिकैथलॉन का केचुआ जैकेट। मैंने
Oh, wow.
बहुत पैसे खर्च करके इसे खरीदा है। लर्न कर लूं।
पैसा कितना आया है तुम्हारा? आने लगा
अभी लड़का तुम्हारा
I'm recording this from my bed, so sorry guys. Right now I'm heading to my hostel, and somehow I got my friend, and I was kind of hungry, so I catch him on the way, and I take him to chaat wala dukan, and there we have chaat and puchka. It is kind of filling, and it's kind of winter season, and like having spicy food is all the legendary things that I wish to do. And yeah, this is how my day end today. These little girls are helping their parents, as this moved me, and like how they are working together, helping each other and serving us a good food. Thank you guys for coming to this end, and I'm ending this video here. And thank you for being so supportive, and keep watching. Bye bye, take care.